everyone, my name is Karen Gabriela Jasmine S. in PM 224120004, Class Accounting 22H. Principles of Corporate Governance. The principles of corporate governance or principles of corporate governance are the normative and conceptual basis that guides companies in managing and direction their business activities in the transparent, fair, responsible, and high integrity manner. These principles are not only theoretical but also have a practical role in the regulating the relationship between the main parties in the company, such as shareholders, board of direction, board of commissioners, management, employees, and other stakeholders. Historically, corporate governance principles were first systematically formulated by the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, an international organization that provides corporate governance guidelines to its member country. These guidelines then become a global reference in the building a modern corporate governance system in accordance with the demands of transparency and accountability in the era of globalization. In Indonesia itself, these principles have been adopted to the national context by institutions such as the Financial Services Authority and the National Committee on Governance Policy. Through the preparation of the General Guidelines for Good Corporate Governance. In general, there are 5 main principles of corporate governance that are widely recognized and form the foundation of good governance practices, namely transparency, accountability, responsibility, independence, and fairness. These principles form an interrelated and inseparable framework and serves as a measure of the quality of governance practiced by a company. 1. Transparency. The principle of transparency emphasizes the importance of openness in the closing information that is relevant, accurate, timely, and accessible to all interested parties. 2. Accountability. Accountability refers to the clarity of foundation, authorities, and responsibilities of each organ of the company, especially between the board of commissioners and direction. 3. Responsibility. The principle of responsibility reflects a company obligation to comply with all applicable laws and regulations and to conduct ethical and sustainable business practices. 4. Independence. Independence in corporate governance means that each organ of the company must carry out its duties objectively without intervention from parties with conflict in interest. And last, fairness. This principle emphasizes the importance of fair treatment of all shareholders and other stakeholders. The company must provide equal opportunities to all parties in the obtaining information, voting rights, and profit sharing. The 5 principles are not merely administrative formalities, but are moral and ethical values that shape the company character and culture. Consistent and comprehensive implementation of the principles is believed to create added value for the company, increase competitive, and strengthen business sustainability the long term. In practice, companies that implement corporate governance principles we have proven to be more resilient to crisis, more able to attract investors, and more trusted by the wider community. Thus, the principles of corporate governance are not only the foundation for effective corporate governance, but also an important instrument in building a healthy business ecosystem with integrity and oriented towards sustainable growth. These principles need to be international not only by shareholders and upper management, but by all elements of the organization in order to create a corporate culture that is strong, adaptive, and resilient in the midst of global challenges.